So whenever I have mental pain, lot of mental suffering, this mind, the Maya affecting mind, and lot of suffering because of many other many things. If mom goes outside and mom is not coming in the evening time, no, probably after I'm coming from the school. By the time if mom is not there, when mom is going to come, when mom went to market or anything, I was worried. What happens if she doesn't come, or somebody else came in her place, in her shape? all different types of questions and a lot of uneasiness. So at the time, the sadness, the pain I was going through. But every time, anytime, many other reasons, not only this, many classroom, many things. So every time I was classroom and siblings also, with siblings also, certain things, good things will be there. Of course, some sadness things also will be there. So now we are laughing, but at the time, only one understanding used to come for me. That understanding is, now I am going through this pain or suffering, mental pain. What about 100 years later? Will I carry this pain after 100 years also? That's the question I used to ask myself. So 100 years later, I will not be there I might not be there with my physical body, or not only me, the whole world, everyone. 99% of the people doesn't live more than 100 years, right? So 99% of the people also clears their life. This physical body is ending, and probably they'll take next body. But this pain, this mental pain, this suffering, will it be there? That's the question I used to ask very firmly. After, of course, first half an hour probably I might be having pain, but after half an hour or after 20 minutes, after some time, this question used to come. With this question, amazing light used to come, like immediately. Pain will, the moment light comes, the darkness goes, right, fades away and goes. Immediately pain used to subside and clear. Very fastest clearance happens from that moment I got the question. So like this, I got this question. I used to ask this question, after 100 years, will this pain be there? That's the question. Then immediately, that question helped me a lot, friends. So just wanted to tell it to everyone, so that probably if anybody is having any suffering or anything, also ask this question. Because of whatever the reason we are undergoing this suffering, but will this suffering be there after 100 years? That's the question you ask.